When it comes to your indecipherable alphabet soup of modern-day vehicle naming conventions, a couple of model designators are often true. X is designed for SUV, R is designed for racy, S is made for sporty, and RS is perfect for Audis which have been tuned and tweaked beyond all boundaries of reason. The newest entrant to the exclusive club would be the Audi TT RS, a 400 horsepower version from the small, sleek, and chic TT race car. This model has a hyperactive turbocharged inline 5-cylinder engine, a lightning-fast 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, and quattro all-wheel drive that together deliver brain-scrambling earth-line acceleration and similarly gratifying passing runs. Its hatchback body ensures that there's lots of space for cargo, particularly if the useless rear seats are folded flat for optimum efficiency. Although the TTRS accelerates such as a Roman candle and sticks towards the road like its tires were dipped in Gorilla Glue, other cars on this class, such as being the Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport and Porsche 718 Cayman S, are more communicative, sharper handling, or both. But the TTRS brings raw power plus some likable rough edges to your otherwise somewhat dispassionate TT model lineup. It's the TT for your wannabe racing driver. High's unusual and alluring powertrain, innovative infotainment solution, speed, and much more speed. Low's missing coveted premium features, much less communicative as some competitors. Verdict: big power and awesome speed help it become an alternative on the greats with this class, but it really is still not the all-around champ. What's new for 2018? The RS is new for the TT lineup for 2018. Injecting a dose of raucous power into the otherwise rather docile family. The TTRS incorporates a turbocharged 2.5-litre inline 5 within the engine bay as well as a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, a setup it shares with the 10th best-winning Audi RS3. All-wheel drive can be standard. The RS distinguishes itself from lesser TTs which has a honeycomb grille, beefy air intakes, a restricted rear wing, and big oval exhaust pipes, in addition to a crackling 5-beat exhaust note. Trims and options: we'd choose the TTRS also comes in just one trim. Every model has got the same 2.5-litre turbocharged inline 5, 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Standard features within this $65,875 Coupe Plus. The convertible version is just not available inside the United States. Include virtual cockpit and dash infotainment display, adaptive dampers, heated leather front seats with diamond pattern stitching. If the conventional fittings give you cold, there are lots of options to loosen up the situation. Consider the technology package, which adds blind spot monitoring, Audi's navigation system with integrated Google Maps view, and 4G LTE wireless connectivity for $3,500. We'd suggest steering clear from the $6,000 Dynamic Plus package, however. Although it enhances the top speed limiter to 174 miles per hour and adds futuristic LED taillights plus a cool carbon fiber engine cover, its ultra-stiff suspension is way too harsh riding for many but glassy smooth roads. Audi's 5-cylinder is unusual and alluring, plus it makes a happy triumvirate with Audi's quattro all-wheel drive and snappy 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. The powertrain is lightning quick and flexible, also it feels as special inside TTRS as Chevrolet's big, booming V8 does inside the Corvette. Audi's distinctive turbocharged 5-cylinder, all-wheel drive, and 7-speed dual-clutch automatic constitute the TTRS's only powertrain, but this is so good you won't want more choices. Audi features a long good reputation for hard-bunching turbo 5s, as well as the car's unusual Annette with the FIV3 firing order makes a unique, barbaric exhaust yaw that deserves its place inside the automotive imagination. This small 5-cylinder engine produces 400 horsepower and is also good for a 3.4-second run from 0 to 60 miles per hour. Passing power is astonishing. The 7-speed is a lot more than happy to downshift once you demand extra power, along with the TTRS surges forward by using these immediacy and force that you may possibly think you've been sucked into a wormhole. Despite being able to dispatch just about any red light challenger without difficulty, the TT RS can nevertheless be perfectly civil out. Careful modulation from the throttle pedal transforms this athlete to a comfortable cruiser. Don't enable the uncompromising performance fool you. The TT RS's Turbo 5 is pretty efficient, and our test car crested the 30 miles per gallon traveling during our real-world testing. Porsche's Turbo 4s are all the more thrifty using their fuel, though, plus the Chevrolet Corvette did surprisingly well despite its larger displacement V8. The TT RS's 19 miles per gallon EPA city rating a few things extraordinary. Nevertheless, its 29 miles per gallon highway rating is quite a bit more impressive. Most with the cars in this particular class score inside the same neighborhood, but that does more to increase our esteem of the car's personal computer does to soften our praise for your RS. The fact is, most cars with this class can deliver stunning performance without demanding an undue sacrifice for the pump. Fuel economy ratings compared. We've devised each of our fuel economy tests so that they can replicate how many people drive on the streets. Our procedure entails a 200-mile out-and-back loop on Michigan's I-94 highway. We conserve a GPS-verified 75 miles per hour and make use of the cruise control wherever possible to mimic the best way many drivers behave during long trips. The TT RS handily outperformed its 29 miles per gallon highway rating and returned 31 miles per gallon on our test loop, but it really was still beaten out by the 2.5-litre Porsche 718 Cayman S, which earned 32 miles per gallon because test.